So together we share a bold and unwavering goal to prevent, to detect, and to respond to infectious diseases, to protect populations, to strengthen health systems, and to reduce the impact of outbreaks on health, on economies, and on security. This work cannot succeed without women, and it cannot succeed without communities, and it cannot succeed without you. So together, we have challenged stigma, we have strengthened health systems, we've expanded access to life-saving HIV prevention and treatment tools. ICWEA's work demonstrates the power of community-led approaches to drive sustainable change. So as we navigate new phases of the global HIV response, marked by funding shifts and emerging challenges and evolving opportunities, the United States continues to support life-saving HIV services and the shared goal of ending HIV as a public health threat. We will continue to work with grassroots networks to support millions of people on treatment, on achieving viral suppression, and reclaiming their health and dignity. Looking ahead, it is essential to ensure that grassroots voices are not only heard, but they have a seat at the table, in the table of decision-making processes, shaping policies and solutions that directly impact their lives. Moreover, we must stand together to ensure that no one is left behind in the fight against HIV. So as we reflect on ICWEA's impactful 20-year journey, we're reminded of the transformative power of advocacy, leadership, and community-driven action. ICWEA has not only sustained the fight against HIV, but has redefined it. Redefined what it means to empower women and girls living with and affected by HIV. Through its work, through your work, ICWEA has demonstrated that change is possible when grassroots voices are elevated and accountability is prioritized through community leadership.